Have you ever been in a situation, or have you ever seen someone in a situation where the person buys a property this month and then in 6 months time the person really wants to sell because the person doesn't have enough funds to keep going? Now you deserve to buy real estate and still live well. If the property is promising to add value in the next 2 years, in the next 3 years, in the next 5 years, you should be alive and well to witness that money and also to eat the money. Hello, this is Maybe of Maybe Properties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's face it, we all want financial freedom, and real estate is the powerhouse for building wealth passively. If you're not investing in real estate, what exactly are you doing? I know what you want to say. Oh, I don't have the millions to buy real estate. The 50 million, the 100 million, the 500 million naira. Guess what? I bring you the magic of diversity in real estate investment. This is called REITs. Here in Nigeria is known as real estate buyback plans or real estate cashback plans. Real estate buyback plans simply means investing in real estate with the concept of owning the property, but with the intention of selling back to the company that sold to you. Now, with this kind of plan, you can invest as low as 1 million naira to 10 million naira to 20 million naira, knowing that at the end of 18 months, you're going to be getting 45% on your investment. At the end of 12 months, you're going to be getting 35%, and so on and so forth. This buyback plan have come to stay. It's not only legal, but guess what? It is a stable investment. Now, when you invest in real estate buyback plan, you're letting your money work for you. This is not Ponzi scheme or anything. This is you co-owning a property or buying a property with the intention of selling back to the company, or just investing and co-owning a property with this company in order to make returns on investment. There are real estate firms that run this excellent program, but here in Lagos, I'm partnering with the best. This is how their rate goes. In 18 months, you're going to be getting 70% interest. Yes, 70% interest. Now that's huge. In 12 months, you're getting 45% interest, and in 8 months, you're getting 29% interest. This means your money works for you, and at the end of every 18 months or every 12 months, you get back your money plus the interest. Then again, you can also put it back your money into the investment and let your money work for you again, and like that you shovel it over the years. This is better than leaving the money in the bank. We all agree that this is so much better than leaving the money in the bank account, because Nigerian banks give you only 4% on interest on every money you leave in their bank for 1 year duration. When you invest in a real estate buyback plan, you get your deed of agreement, or you can call it deed of investment. Here, everything is going to be stated: the property you bought, or the property you are co-owning, or the property that you invested into. And also, you're going to be getting an acknowledgement later, and you're going to be getting your receipt. If on request you want a post-dated check, this will also be added to it. Is this not wonderful? All you need to do is call my number. Let me tell you more about this. But then again, another good news is this: you can invest from anywhere around the world. Your document can be shipped to you. Your document can be sent to your mail. Real estate is one company that, or one industry that, can never go down. It beats inflation. So real estate is either here or it's here. So it's either increasing or it's where it is, which is rare. It never depreciates. So that property you buy in real estate is either that the value is not increasing or the value is increasing. That is what I love so much about this amazing industry. We all deserve to own real estate even when we don't have so much money. Yes, this is a great opportunity for you. Call my number, the number on your screen right now, or you can click the link below in the description box. Also, don't forget to leave a comment and a thumbs up if you like this video and this idea, and then I'm going to bring you more videos like this about real estate investment, about ways to diversify your income, passive income, ways you can earn without really buying a property and locking it down on the ground for a very, very long time. Until next time, I remain Maybe. See you next time.